Let's talk about Belt. You take a look at the portfolio managers. One of them is Alistair Hibbert, who, if I remember correctly, he manages one of BlackRock's largest hedge funds. So what does it say that you have one of your hedge fund guys managing an ETF over, in the iShares franchise? It's
really about taking our world-class managers and bringing them into the structure that is increasingly the vehicle of choice, particularly among advisors, amongst RIAs, and even more narrowly amongst model managers that are building ETF models that they can scale and make repeatable to their clients. So this is just about matching great managers with a great vehicle.
Sounds like BlackRock believes that in the whole star fund manager idea.
Absolutely. I mean, we have plenty of great managers across our platform. We brought out a Rick Reader ETF Bank last year, which has brought in $3 billion in assets. We're bringing out the Alistair Hibbert product. We've brought out a Tony DeSpirito product, investing in value stocks. So it's really about taking those managers that, in many cases, they've established great funds and great performance in the mutual fund structure, now bringing them into the ETF.
Now, obviously, we come up with that beta-adjusted fee demarcation line, which is a little like my equals MC squared. Do you guys find the same thing when you talk to people that you either have to be cheap or shiny, whether you're active or passive?
What we want is differentiated alpha, that if you are going to go into an active manager, you want to be getting something different and you want to have a real edge within that difference. So when we look at Belt, really we see clients using this as a barbell approach. Get your low cost, broad, tax efficient, super liquid IVV exposure in your core, and then barbell that with something that's going to give you a little more alpha on the side.
So yes.
Yes, I mean, in the sense that we want to have that active share, absolutely.
Did you get the idea from my chart?
No.
Okay.
No. This is about bringing out alpha strategies into an ETF.
Could you just tell him yes? I feel like that would really...
I do think an important thing here...
We're just saying it
No,
differently.
and I think an important thing, what we do look at is active share. And so what we look at with Belt is that this is 80% active share. This is very different from the S&P 500. And that's important to us. We believe if you're going to create this barbell, you can get that cheap IVV exposure, but you want something different.